Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows version because steps differ slightly between 10 and 11. Once confirmed, right-click an empty area of the taskbar or open Settings Personalization to access taskbar options. This gives you the controls to move it. Make sure to save any work in close full-screen apps so the UI updates cleanly. You'll see position settings or taskbar behaviors. Pick the control panel that matches your OS and prepare to change alignment or screen edge. You now choose the exact position. In Windows 10, open taskbar settings and set taskbar location on screen to left, top, right, or bottom. Click Apply and confirm. In Windows 11, go to Personalization taskbar behaviors and change alignment to left or center. Use additional options to show icons differently. If you need top or side placement not supported, consider drag to move for classic toolbars or a trusted third-party utility. Just be cautious. Finish by verifying the new placement works across apps and multiple displays. Adjust scaling or monitor order in display settings if items shift. If the taskbar becomes unresponsive, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer, and the change usually takes effect. If you used a third-party tool and see instability, revert the tool or uninstall it and restore default settings. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Restarting Explorer solves most transient layout issues, so do that before deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.